You're being lied to on purpose to keep you vulnerable. Opinions, hit pieces, and headlines, all designed to distract you from your real life, from the real truth, and from the real-time information that can save your life and the lives of the ones you love. We bring you the truth. We send you the alerts. We deliver the vital information you need. No spyware, no advertisement algorithms, and no opinion box to clutter your feed. What you want, when you want it, and nothing but the truth. So help you God. Go to satnews123.com and get the truth today.